In this video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site Granuamanin.ml. Some people may suddenly see these pretty strange and deceptive pop-ups by Granuamanin.ml. These pop-ups are totally faulty and truly deceptive. You should not interact with them. They tell you that your download link is ready and that you can download some file. Such pop-ups may be integrated into some file download platforms, but instead of downloading the requested file, people see these deceptive pop-ups and they think that they can download that file, but in reality they are downloading something different, some malware or some adware or some other potentially unwanted software. So, in the light of this information, if you see these pop-ups, do not tolerate them, just leave this page. Now, we also recommend that you carefully investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the program, install it, and begin investigating your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.